Yujie. Today, I'm going to talk about the challenges of implementing task-based language teaching in Chinese primary school. My presentation is about 5 minutes long. In my presentation, I will introduce 3 components: definition, challenges, and recommendations. Task-based language teaching is a communicative activity designed to improve learners' practice skills by doing a meaningful task in a target language. Students are required to chat in a specific situation. The first challenge in my research is the convention between different languages. Students in non-English speaking countries like to use the native language when they are doing group work. Another phenomenon is about minimal demand on language ability. Sometimes students could complete a task by using some keywords rather than full resources, or 1 or 2 students dominate the interaction while others do not do any work. Next challenge is about classroom management as a basic teaching activity, how to design and use tasks, affect outcomes of the class. In addition, the imbalance between teacher-centered teaching and student-centered learning while communicative group work is considered in my research. The third challenge is about social effect. There is a gap between educational value and traditions. The current examination system in China are unable to detect the effects of the new teaching method. What primary school students want in China is a prompt ranking in their final exam and the entrance examination. It leads to an unsatisfied result that, despite syllabus tells the teachers to develop the practice skills, both students and teachers would like to pay more attention on exam skills. Some researchers argue that language is to convey information. Also, students in primary school don't know sufficient words to express their opinions. So forcing students to speak the target language in whole classes is impossible and inefficient. High requirement to produce high efficiency. Students should find ways to express instead of relying on their mother tongue. It is said that teachers are losing control of students. This analysis is too biased because the role of teacher is to manage the teaching process rather than to control the student. Traditional teaching methods lead to students cannot use knowledge in life. In other words, teachers in China are used to telling students what to say and how to respond. Well, in the beginning, teachers can tell students what to do. Gradually, students should learn to complete the task independently and learn by analogy. After analyzing these challenges, I'm going to talk about the recommendations. Both teachers and students need to build self-confidence in the new language, and teachers should motivate students' interest at the beginning of their learning English. Hence, they dare to actively show their language skills in the classroom and avoid the use of their mother tongue or just use keywords. In terms of profession, the training for pre-service and in-service teachers are essential to solve the challenge. Not only the school, but the educational institution provide the training, and teachers' ability should also be tested regularly to urge them to make continuous progress. The educational authority should find a way to eliminate the gap between educational value and tradition, and creating a learning community inside and outside the classroom as well. Students need to practice after they finish the class. They are supposed to learn independently in whole life and to use the language frequently. Thanks for listening.